Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's tutorial, I will walk you through how to start making money with Clickbank in 2025, even if you are a complete beginner and don't want to spend money on ads. So make sure that you watch this video till the very end so that you don't miss any of the important steps. Now without further delay, let's get started. First of all, you need to open your web browser in your PC or in your mobile device, and here in the search bar, you need to simply search for clickbank.com. Once you are here on Clickbank, you will see the Start Here option in the top right hand corner. Simply click on Start Here and fill out your sign up form. After filling your basic details like your name, your country, and your email address, and after creating a strong password for your account, you need to verify your email address, and then you will get all of your login credentials when you have passed your account. Now this will be your Clickbank's dashboard. So over here in your dashboard, you need to hover over to the left hand section and click on the option of affiliate marketplace. So this is where you will find all of the products that you can promote. So first of all, you will see a bunch of different niches here in the top, like the top offers, new offers, health and fitness, etc. So you need to pick a niche you are interested in or that sells well. So like health and wellness niche is best. Other than this, spirituality also works best. Finance is always long term. So you can select any of the categories. So from these top categories, you can click on any of these tabs, and here it will show you all of the top offers relating to the category that you chose. So here you can simply just hover over to the top and sort it out everything with the help of the gravity score. So here you need to make sure that it is high to low, and it is basically a number that is showing how well the product is converting. So you need to aim for the gravity score between 30 to 150 and not too low and not too competitive. Now here you can click on the promote option, provide your nickname, and then you can simply click on the continue option. Now over here you need to just scroll down, and this is your link which you can copy from here, and you can either use a link shortener or you can directly use it, but most of the Clickbank users use the link shortener like Hope link or Bitly. So you can simply use those and start promoting this particular link. You can promote it on YouTube, Shorts, TikTok, Quora, Reddit, free blogs, or Medium. So based on the type of the platform, you can create the content, and then you can promote this particular link and earn commissions. So if this video helped you out, make sure that you like this video and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.